Doing good, I'm your host Jason, and welcome to my full durable AI website builder tutorial. In it, I will be showing you step by step how you can quickly create a website using AI. Durable is a platform that you can get started on for completely free. You don't need a credit card or anything like that to sign up. I will also be providing you with a link in the description that you can tap on, and it will redirect you to the page on which you'll be able to quickly sign up. Once you have done that, you can tap right here where you see generate website. After you have done that, you can type in the type of website that you would like to create. So let's say, for example, I would like to create a coaching website. I could type in coaching right there, and I'm going to select coaching. Then we'll tap on next. Then from here, you can input your business address, and then you'll tap on next and you can add your business name. So I'm just going to call it test, then tap on generate website. After you have done that, you're going to give it a few seconds, and you can see your website is being generated. So you can see right there, it has been generated. I will also be showing you how to quickly edit your website. Once it has been generated, what I want you to do next is you're going to tap on edit section. Then from there, you're going to be prompted to sign up. So we can tap on sign up with Google real quick. After you have done that, you can select the account that you would like to sign in with. Then tap on continue. Once you have tapped on continue, you will be redirected back to the durable website editor page. And on it, you'll be able to start editing your website. So just give it a few seconds while it loads up. You can see that it has loaded up right here. Now to start making editing changes, all you'll need to do, you can for example edit the header section. All you'll need to do is simply tap on restyle right here, and you can change the different styles as you can see right there. Or if we were to tap on the three dots, then select edit website header, you're going to see a pop-up menu appear on the right hand column. From here, you could change the site name if you want. You could also change the logo. You can also add buttons if you want, and you can also add your social links. You can tap on style, and if you like to change the background color or the positioning or the size of the social media icons, you can do that. It is quite easy to edit each section. So we can tap here, you could edit the text. You can tap on this text also, and you can quickly edit it. You can also edit the button as you can see right there. And if it is a case that you'd like to add a new section, all you'll need to do is tap on add section. After you have done that, you can see the different sections that you can quickly add. So if we wanted to add a service section, we could do that. We can also add an image carousel. You can see the different options that you have right there. You can add an audio player, you can add PDF, and so much more. Let's say we would like to add an image carousel. We can quickly tap on image carousel. After you have done that, you can see that it has been added right here. Once it has been added, you could tap on each image and then tap on replace image, and you could change the images as easy as that. You can scroll down and you can continue editing each section. You can also tap on widgets from the top navigation bar. So if it is a case that you would like to add cookie notice, or you like to add messenger chat or so on, you can find them right here. These are the recommended. You can also tap on most popular, and we'll see if there are any other options. No, just these four at the moment. You can also change the style by tapping on style right here. If you like to change the colors, you can do that. So let's say for example we like to change the color to this option, you could do that. You can also edit it from dark to light mode if you want. There are numerous editing options that you are provided with. You can also preview how it would look on mobile. So you can see how it looks right there. And if you like to edit a particular section, you can tap on edit section when scrolling down, and from there you can edit the text, and you can see how it looks on mobile at the same time as you can see right here. So it gives you a real feel of how it will look when someone is using your mobile device while browsing your website. Once everything is to your liking, you'll tap on publish. So you can tap on publish right there once you are on the pro plan. But if you are not on the Pro plan, you can quickly tap on Save in the top left hand corner. Once you have saved the changes, you could tap on Publish, then select Preview. After selecting Preview, from here we could tap on Preview once more, and you can see how your website looks at the moment. So this is our website at the moment, as you can see right there. So if you want to go back, you can continue editing. Once you're finished, if it is a case that you like to add more pages, you could tap on the plus beside Home, and from here you can see the different pages that you can add. You can choose to add a blank page, a blog post, about page, or by scrolling down. If you were to go onto their paid plan, you can add privacy policy and terms and services, so you can see the different options right there. And if it is a case that you like to delete a page, you could simply tap on the home page. Then from there you would tap on the three dots and you will normally see the option to delete. You can see the different pages, so I could tap on create page. Then for example, I could select blog posts. After selecting blog posts, I would be redirected to this page. From here, you can use their AI feature to write out a blog article for you if you want. So you can do that real quick if that is what you want. And that's basically it. That's how to use Durable AI. If it is a case that you like to go onto their paid plan, it starts off at $12 per month and goes up to $20 per month, which is the recommended business option, which would give you access to their CRM feature. But if you're just looking for a website builder and you want to add your custom domain name and so on, I would recommend that you stick with the $12 plan right there. But you can access their different products by tapping on products right here. You can see that they offer a CRM. You can also use Durable for invoicing. You can use their AI assistant. You can use their AI blog builder and so on. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.